So, hi students, today we are going to discuss the topic what is student haloalkanes and haloarenes. Dear student, when you talk about halo word, what is the halo word? It implies that what student, that is halogen, right? So, always keep in mind halo means halogen. It is generally represented by X. What are the example of halogen student? It can be the fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So, here in this chapter fluorine we will not discuss, which is highly exothermic reaction. So, we exclude this one. Now, that is second one is there, alk is there student, alk. So, and there is ane. So, whatever the alkane means alkyl group, but single bonded student. So, when you talk about the alkyl group, what are there student? It can be CH3 or it can be C2H5 or it can be C3H7. Now, here you see student, all the halogen will be attached with the this one, Cl. Here you can take the Br, here you can take the I. Now, you take student single bond, wherever the single bond is there, that is implies that ane student. So, this all the case you will find that is everything is having the single bond student. Here you see these all are the single bond. Here if you are talking about this one student, so you will also find that is here is also the what is there, single bonded are there. So, haloalkane, alkane means single bonded hydrocarbon, halo means halogen. So, this is what the definition of haloalkane. Now, the same way arene means what student? Aromatic ring, any of the aromatic ring it will be there student. This is aromatic ring. If halogen is there, so that is it is going to be what student? Haloarene. Now, the topic which I want to tell you, that what could be the definition of haloalkane and haloarene student. Here they are simple, both are, they are okay, halogen derivative, they are the halogen derivatives of hydrocarbon, So, both things are derived from here, where student, hydrocarbons. So, from if you are replacing the hydrogen atom of the hydrocarbon by the halogen atom, this is you are going to get student haloalkanes, or you are going to get the haloarenes student, right? Now student, let us try to understand with the help of some example. I am taking some example student, and then we are discussing this point, okay? So, let us try to have the look over. Suppose student, this is the alkane student, that is also called methane. Now, what you are doing student, you are treating with the chlorine student, Cl2, in presence of H mu light student, H mu light. So, what will happen, this is going to be substitute student. So, HCl is going to be out student. Here I am writing HCl, and this side what is there student? It can be what? H, this is H, this is H, and here is Cl. So, that is what is called student chloro. This is the chloro, and one carbon is there, meth, single bond is there student, that is called chloromethane student, right? Suppose the ring is there student, if you are selected the ring. So, benzene ring means all the position there is hydrogen dear student, this is the hydrogen are there, okay. So, what I am saying student, if you are treating with the chlorine, you take the Cl2 student, Cl2 I am writing Cl and Cl student, and in presence of anhydrous you have to take some catalyst student. Suppose you are taking anhydrous AlCl3. So, what will happen, these things is going to be out student, and what will happen here student, that you will find that is halogen atom is attached, here is the halogen, and then HCl is out. So, in this all the cases student, what you are going to find student, in the all the cases hydrogen atom is being replaced student, this hydrogen replaced by the halogen atom. So, they are what is called student halogen derivatives of hydrocarbon, that is what the simple definition of the haloalkane. Haloalkanes are halogen derivatives of hydrocarbon, or the alkane. Haloarenes are halogen derivatives of aromatic compound. So, that is haloarene. So, this is what the definition is student. Now, the next point which we have to understand student, that is what the IUPAC nomenclature. Let us try to look over the IUPAC nomenclature student. So, when you see IUPAC, sometime in the board exam student, they ask the IUPAC name student. So, what are the rule student? So, firstly we will write the first case student, that is the first order will be what is student prefix, okay. Prefix, when you talk about the prefix student, it can be the F, Cl, Br, I, or the side chain, anything it